Hi, I'm Zeke Montgomery with Drexel University. This is our first time with Zista events. It was a great event. We are so excited to be here, and we love talking to all of the interested students about our arts and design.
I'm currently in my third year, so this is like the right opportunity to explore masters, and Zista showed that there are a lot of opportunities because I wanted to do game design and I thought it's a very niche subject, but in reality there are quite a lot of universities that offer it, and I got to speak with the representatives from these universities and they were talking about requirements, how the campus life is, and the overall course structure. So I really got a lot of insights today and I'm looking forward to applications. So thank you, sister.
Hi everyone, my name is Ryan Phillips. I was representing the Institute for Contemporary Music Performance. I really want to thank the Zista team. I think this was a really well put together event. I definitely had a really good time interacting with all of the students. They were very inquisitive, asking the right kind of questions, and they definitely know what they want. So even for a university as niche as us, which focuses almost exclusively on music-based courses, I was very happy to see a very bright interest from all of the students across a variety of different styles, but also a variety of different age ranges, which is super cool. I again want to thank the team for organizing such a fantastic event. I will hopefully see you guys soon. Thank you so much.
I am like speechless when it comes with the experience of the way the universities have explained, and that was a professor from the Hong Kong University. Too good. Whatever is the event, whatever was the panel who was speaking, too good. The way they have shared the experience. I'm extremely happy by attending it, and I would definitely share it with my friends.
It has been a very good fair. Got to talk to a lot of interesting students, and parents, and hopefully there are more artists that come out, and a lot of them had a lot of interesting questions, and they wanted to know more about AMDA in general and education in USA in a more generalized format.
I think finding the Global Art Design Expo has been an absolute blessing. Coming here and interacting with many universities has opened up a big possibility for my future. I'm in 10th grade and some people might think it's too young to come to this fair, but I think that by coming here, I've really done myself a really good job, because I think that right now I can start thinking about my future. We can both start thinking about our futures and where we'd like to go, and I think that this fair has helped a lot considering my future career. So I would really recommend this fair and coming here for all students, no matter what their age. Thank you.
So my experience in Zista, the crowd was amazing. The students that approached were highly enthusiastic, and they really wanted to get into know the creative aspect of the courses and the future opportunities. So yeah, the quality and the people that took their time and came to the event was highly appreciated. And yeah, looking forward for a positive response ahead from here. And thank you, Zista, for giving this opportunity, for being a part of this for the very first time. And thank you so much. It was a wonderful and a successful event. Thank you.
The overall experience is fantastic. The energy is great. The student footfall is amazing. The overall event is managed and organized very beautifully. This is my 4th year I am participating in Zista, and I'm very happy with what they're doing with students. They are helping, to bridge a gap, to take over the gap between a student and a university. I'm very excited for their upcoming ventures, and I look forward for many more exhibitions from them. Thank you so much.